That could be a tournament winner, guys. Tournament winner. I need everybody to lock in. All right, we're here with Captain David Mills of Invincible Boats.
15th annual Bash fishing tournament. Dream team put together here.
Reigning champs. Captain Dave, what's your strategy for today?
Start with the bait haul. Going to bear cut. Pick up our charts. Gonna pick up our gogs. Captain Drew Skolnick put us on the spreads yesterday, so we got a live well full already. Got a leg up. We're gonna get out there. We got a nice east wind today. We're gonna start on the edge. We're gonna see what happens.
Captain Dave, there's a lot of pressure this year to repeats. Are you guaranteeing a victory for Team Invincible?
No guarantees in fishing, but when you're on Invincible, guaranteed to have a good time.
Invincible when you're serious. Here with Matthew Santo, winner of Final Sail 2025. Matthew, what's your plan for today? What luck are you going to bring us?
Let's see. We're going to run out in the morning. Let's see if we can go get some mahis and then come back in the afternoon, do a little kite fishing, maybe a nice big blackfin. You never know what else could show up. Maybe a wahoo. We're right on the edge of the new moon tonight, so maybe some luck we can get something nice.
You heard it here, folks. Edge of the new moon. Luck. Something nice. Today's episode is brought to you by Garmin. For all your land, air, and marine needs, go with Garmin. Beat yesterday. All right, good morning. Captain Claus Adventures here on Team Invincible. We just put out a couple kites. Got 4 baits on the right side, 3 on the left. A nice gog and herring bag of mix. Looking to catch some sort of pelagic species here. Drew, right 2 down, Drew.
Yep, got it.
We'll check back in shortly, hopefully with some fish on.
Smoke beer! Smoke beer! Geräuchertes Bier brauche ich jetzt. Rauchbier. Am Schlengerlau! In Bamberg! Ja!
Oh my God, the line! Bit of 40.
Dave, that's your tournament.
All right, checking back in here, Captain Claus Adventures. Sven.
Hey man.
Sven, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
You just caught one of the biggest kingfish of the day, for sure.
In the world.
Unfortunately, Sven, kingfish don't count in this tournament,
Well,
but
that's bad.
you did a great job, Sven. That could be a tournament winner, guys. Tournament winner. I need everybody to lock in. All right. Wide. All right, there we go. All right, hold on. All right, good. It's a sail. It is? I think so. It looks like it's about to jump. He's a movie star!
Up.
Okay.
Let him take.
Yeah.
There you go. Good job. You're doing great. Pull up. Reel down. We got a sail off our bow here. Probably about 160 feet of water. Max on his first sailfish ever. So it's got to be exciting. It's a little tired here, holding him in place so he doesn't fall. But let's see if we can go release this guy right now.
We're out here, we're on number 1. Fish in the box, fish in the bash, world famous. Oh, he's a movie star, yeah! All right, Matthew Santos has our second sailfish of the day. We've been fighting this one for a good deal of time. Matthew, why don't you give us a quick update on how the fight is going?
Well, we got him about 40 feet underneath the boat. He's just hanging there and doesn't want to come up. Let's see if we can get him in the next 5 minutes here.
You heard it here, folks. Under 5 minutes is the call.
Back. There it is. Let me get the leader. Bring it up.
If you could get a picture, I'll film.
Hold on, David. He's going into the boat. Oh, that rod's about to snap. Ow, that hurt my shin. Oh, that hurt.
Yeah, we got him coming now.
Keep it going straight, David, into the current. Yeah, we're good. He is completely wrapped, that's why.
I remember saying that.
Yeah, but not tail wrap, but he's wrapped on his body right now.
Oh, he's a beautiful fish, huh?
Hold on. Alright, it popped.
That's all right, guys. Good job, Sven. Good job, Sven.
Good job, boys. Mit Rauchbier klappt's besser. Du hast doch noch gar keins getrunken.
Don't go forward, Dave. Because if not, he might spook, and I want to try to gap him right here. Oh well. That right there. Damn, how far do you have it out there? It was pretty out there. It was very out there. Hey, did we get a bite? Oh, look at this thing swim.
Wow.
What happened? You reeled the whole screw. The reeled screw. That's yours? Why don't we keep one in the water?
Okay, that's what I'm doing.
Doesn't work like that?
Yours is nice. Yours is nice.
Whose is nice? Oh, there's another one right there.
Thomas, yours looks good.
Nice! In the boat!
Pectoral fins.
And there's another one. No, there's two more with them. There's a lot of them here.
I got it, Get him, Veronica. Good job, Veronica! Good fishing! That's a nice one. Good job, Sven! Sven, sing.
Picture. Give me that mother. Look at that thing, man. Hell yeah. Give it to me. Uncharted adventure. All right, let's do it. Stay right there. Hold on. That's a winner. At some point, we'll put the marketing guy.
All right, we're here with Captain David Mills of Invincible Boats. Captain Dave, why don't you give us a quick recap of the day thus far? Pretty hot morning. Got out, found a really good edge, a little breezier than what we thought. Got the kites up without any issue. Started the day with a nice kingfish, a couple of sails. We got it covered up by some mahi, a nice blackfin. Matt caught a cuda on the jig. There's a vermilion snapper in the box. We have very, very mixed bag today. Eclectic bag in the fish box. What's your biggest piece of advice for folks that are coming out for the first time looking to catch fish on the edge? Patience and live bait is all you need. It's a matter of time. You heard it here, folks. Just a matter of time. We'll check back in shortly once we get something on. The right long is covered in weed. Captain Tyler Claus with Captain Claus Adventures, filming and putting us on sails. We got this one in 192. I bumped out a little bit. Your mid and your short are both caught in his bait. You got a little snarl down there, but I think we're gonna catch this fish.
The closest one. One.
Dave, I got the polarized lens, so I got him, okay?
All right. I'm going. Your fish is right there. All circle hooks are on. Red. Yeah, okay.
Hey, Drew, make him jump, will ya?
Yeah, he made him jump. Hang on.
Great job, guys.
Around that one? Alright, you're good. Slide your fish.
Give us an update.
Awesome. What a great day. On a beautiful Invincible 43 mono. Amazing weather and even more amazing crew. Fantastic. Now let's get this one in.
Wine.
Hold on. You got it?
Alright, I'm just gonna bump towards it, but let's don't worry about me.
Alright,
I'll keep you updated.
yeah, just communicate with me.
It's all about communication. That's what puts Invincible at the top, guys.
That's right. We learned from the best, our COO.
Unfortunately, folks, we did not repeat as champions of the 15th annual Bash fishing tournament. Top boat went to the Three Little Birds, who just so happened to win the final sail tournament a few weeks prior. They're on a roll. Congratulations to them. We did, however, take home Top Lady Angler. Great job, Veronica, at Team Invincible. We also scored at the raffle post-tournament. Yay to us. If you'd like to get involved with the Way Forward Foundation or participate in the tournament next year, feel free to click the link below. It benefits a great cause, raising awareness and funds for those living with paralysis. If you'd like to watch our tournament winning day from last year, feel free to click the link here. Thanks for watching.